Free smoke. Uh-oh, crowd killer. Uh-oh, crowd killer. Uh-oh.
Wait a minute, just come near my ears.
Hey, watch out. Come on, bro. Good country. Hey, yeah.
Okay, I ain't even turn me up, nigga. My motherfucking three, nigga. BG for real, nigga, ain't just some little cut on the lips like that. Straight up.
I get Hellcat with it.
Jump in the water looking like a Navy SEAL. Been outside raised me. I took a nigga soul with a black man. Battery ass.
Hey, y'all. Damn. It's thick out here.
Knock off and snap back. Black leg.
Hey, yeah, bro. You all right?
We crashed that.
There's big thick out here, man.
Matter of fact, make a nigga go and get his dad in here. He ain't get you in your dad. I make them shut the fuck up when I be walking through. I don't dance, but I show them what this mama do. Knock off a block of you. Boy, your main bitch in my DM tryna eat the dick. She wanna kick it like soccer shoes. I'm a fool. Posted at the stove smoker tryna get $1 from me. But shit, I'm tryna get $1 too. Sorry, school. Make a nigga trap stick, 38 bows in a trash bag. Take a nigga back from him, let him know that he won't get his sack back. Made a lot of money, that's the truth though, yeah. Counted 500 in the room, I swear. 1.5 for the deal last year. Worth $1 million, went and bought a couple wheels.
Hey, the city too hype right now. The city too hype right now. The city is too hype right now. The city too hot right now, bro.
Boy, I gotta stop helping people. Cause when you on, when you head to the top, they won't let you leave now. When you broke, they'll never need you. After the stick up, I go and get my kicks up. When they get hit from the right to my side, bitch, tripping out. Sick of you, niggas ever taking it. Been thugging in the biggest suits. I was in that hoe that you love, I had a skipping back in high school.
This is not the night. Right now, bro. What's up?
When Dallas stopped dancing, I turned the city up on some gang shit. I'm the reason that these young niggas getting it out gangsta rap. I'm the reason that they acting wild. I'm the reason these niggas pulling up, niggas slanging out.
Look how many people out here, y'all. This is crazy. This is crazy. Burnout everywhere. Look at this. Damn. I don't know where to get the content for y'all. Damn. Fuck. I don't even know where to get the content for y'all. Yeah, I know he been. My boy Legendary swinging. Hey, it's more than this right here. Whoa, the city is too hot right now. Hey, H-time is where it's at. Whoa. H-town where it's at. Nigga. The Laos? Oh. Bro? Yeah, alright? What him and I been? Hey, Richie, what's up, bro? What up? Twice?
Everywhere, bro.
Oh, yeah, you gotta sit this one out, bro. Yeah, go ahead. They about to leave, though. It's too, bro, they about to come over. Helicopters and everything. Yes, sir. And it's too thick, man. It's too thick out here.
What's going on?
Fuck out here, bro. Like, whoa. Get the goddamn content. Like, it's get the on, okay. Oh, yeah. Hey, how your eyes though? Your eyes good? They good, bro. Oh no, damn, that somebody. Jesus Christ. Hey, Laos finna show up deep. Dude. Hey, how you feeling H-Town right now, though?
Shit, hey man, we lit.
Hey, we out here, brother. We out here, brother. Hey, we out here, brother. Hey, yeah. Hellcat season, let's get it. Bro, look how it is out here, y'all. Look how it is out here, man. Uh-oh. What's up, y'all? Uh-oh. Crazy as.
Hey, what you doing?
Hey, you know me, bro. I'm trying to get the content. Chilling, bro. You all right? Yes, sir. Bro, crazy. Bro, you ain't see that?
Oh, I did.
I was just getting my footage like you, bro.
I was just trying.
Bro, it was crazy. My ride dipped. Hey, brother, how you loving the H-Town, though? Because I know you from that good old Dallas, though. You got to tell us how you feeling it right now.
Man.
Because you right now in that good old Sikkwhips YouTube channel, though.
First of all, before we get into it,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to stop to the channel, man.
Uh-huh.
But, hey, that right there, how y'all had multiple people doing burnouts.
Hit me like.
That was crazy.
What's up, bro? You all right?
Yes, sir. We late, man.
I know, bro. I heard. I heard. Y'all, nobody got no tickets, huh?
Nah.
Okay, cool. But you shouted out?
Yeah, man. But the fact that y'all got multiple people doing it at the same time.
That's on another level?
And then, you know, I'm a Chevy guy, so I'm seeing the green 10-speed.
I almost dropped my phone when you said Chevy. What's up?
What up?
You all right?
You tell you almost dropped your phone, but you was looking at ZL1.
Oh, you see, I got to edit that part out, though. I got to edit that part out. I'm gonna leave it in there. Hey, what you think about that, though? That was on crazy, huh? That was on some. What, the dirt bike showed up, too? Oh, that's on another level, bro. What's up, bro? You all right? What car it?
White Hellcat now.
You white Hellcat now? Shut the f up. No more Kobe?
No.
Oh, congrats, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, bro, he got a Hellcat now. Way too slow. He got a Hellcat now. Shout out to this homie, man. Shout out to this good old homie. Also got Safe Lungs on the good old building, man. But, dog, I ain't never seen that. Got a Bumblebee on there as well, man. But shout out to that boy, Ice Cat Drew, man. Huh? May 3rd we going down there.
May 30th.
Hey, but if y'all thought this was lit, y'all wait till we get sick. Hey, move fast, bro. Shout it out, bro.
Hey, man. I ain't got my merch. I got a different merch, man. He was like 4 foot, man.
You got something on him?
Huh?
You got something on him?
Bro, that ain't. Alright.
He ain't got none on him, man.
Oh, yes, sir. Hey, go tempo. You a lifesaver, bro.
Hey, so did y'all get a ticket?
Nah.
No?
Let me get this new shit.
Oh, you didn't get that content?
Merch, brother.
Bro.
Brother, move the keys, brother.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Come on, I'm coming around.
But he not that dark, bro. Turn the flashlight
Let
off.
me go back. Let me step back. Go, turn around.
But yeah, man, we out here, man.
Y'all see what it is. Yes, sir.
It's too big, bro.
Yeah, sir, man. But man, you even got the truck diesels out here, y'all. Check it out. Check it out.
Sick.
What's up, bro?
I'm going to be at work tomorrow.
You gonna be on work tomorrow? Oh, you work?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's why I told you to come to my gym.
What's one?
Lifetime in Single Ranch.
They open?
Yeah.
Look at this short bed.
Monday.
Look at this short bed, 350 clean. But yeah, sir, hey, go ahead and shout it out, bro.
Hey, Romo37TX on Instagram.
Yeah, make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. That's a good old channel member, man. My boy Dino, man. You don't care.
Hey, he had that light right there.
This right here was.
But it's the funny thing about it.
What's happening with YouTube, man? Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe right now. Click that bell. That way, every time I drop a video, you guys are aware. Notification gang. Again, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe. I will be going to different cities and filming meets just like this, man. Tonight was crazy. Wait until tomorrow, man. Also, make sure you read my description below. Let's get it.
I had a little talk with myself, and I ain't going broke no more. I was really down by 10, but now I'm really up by 4. Thumbing through a check right now, thumbing through some checks right now. Trying for success right now, I'ma show 'em how to flex right now. Grown man, bigger dream.